Greetings, salutations, YouTubers and malefactors. We're back here at Stop Logic Motorsports, and I'm trying to see if there's ways that I can creatively break the rules on this ECU. So, through the miracle of movie magic, I got this actually a month after I got my Takamoto, but we're going to release the videos back to back because they'd make more sense that way. Pretty much, the instructions say to peel the tank off, tip it up, and get the cables all the way through there. However, I'm seeing a good path to run through here. I'm kind of like wondering, well, do I really need to take all this stuff off, or can I try and snake it down the frame? I'm coming up with an answer of a strong yet definite maybe, which is probably a good hard no, but I'm too foolish to, you know, take my own good advice. There's plenty of lead cable on here. We have unreusable zip ties. And the real trick is to run it up through here without getting it caught on anything. So, I don't know. Let's try and give it a shot of trying to run it through here. You know, now I'm thinking about it, I should probably grab my keys so I can unlock the wheel. So let's take a quick fiver, grab the keys, and then I'll be right back. I figure I'm probably actually being foolish here, but, well, what is it? Failure is the best teacher of anything. Okay, cool. I thought that was all fire ant mounds. That's just disturbed earth. Got my zip ties out here. Got my Takamoto wire, which this is actually a pretty nifty design. Like a replaceable cable. I will say, when it comes to like design consideration, these folks at Takamoto are pretty slick. See, that's another thing that drives me nuts with this Flatlands guard, is the fact that it's just kind of mounted off kilter. This thing is so hard to remount. Alrighty. I could, ooh dang, could strap it to the frame there. I kind of see what they mean about tilting the tank up. I really could just slide it right under there. No muss, no fuss. Alright, fire ants, leave my feet alone, dude. God, I need a garage. And if I find this idea won't work, then I'll go back and take off the whole dang tank. Hey, it's not the end of the world if I have to take more stuff apart. I've done worse. I don't see where there's a ton of room on this side of the tank. Well, they designed the system, not me. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, and it's going to be hard to see, is I'm feeling around on the frame to see where I can sneak it past the tank pinch points. So there's a couple of mounting spots here where there's a rubber pad for the tank. And I'm trying to get it up over that rubber pad. And it appears I might have succeeded at that endeavor. Yeah, I'm on the other side of it. Same with this one. Over the side of the rubber pad. Now for the up and through it part that is going to be less than easy. And that might require me taking out that entire bolt. Which is fine, that's fine. Just try not to drop anything. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's going to be pinched by anything there. Now it's up over the side. Nice little frame nook and cranny right there just for the wire. So, well, my idea might actually work. Get off! Dang, fire ants, come on, man. Give me 30 minutes and I'll be out of your way. It's like arguing for garage space with my dad back in the day. Alrighty. Well, I'm assuming this is kind of like a one size sort of deal. Before I declare this installation a success, however, I'm going to key the bike on and see if the switch lights up. Oh ho ho ho! We have life. Alright, I think map 4 is the one that... Alright, we're currently on map 4. I think 4 is the full power one with the stock exhaust. 5 is the one with the recluse. That smarts. All right. So other than a little bit of routing and tying off, we have a live Takamoto ECU switch. I'm gonna go over a separate video of how to do the rest of the setup on this because that's a little more esoteric. But at any rate, well, you guys don't need to watch me put this back together, but we have the switch. So yeah, it'll only fit in one slot there, so if you're confused or concerned about where's this gonna go, well, now you know. Well, in the meantime, have a good one, folks. I forgot the obligatory, if you like the content, like and subscribe. If you don't, feel free to hit me with a series of fire hoses publicly. I also take payment in strong language and attaboys. In the meantime, have a good one.